Good morning. We're here.
Good morning.
Friday.
You guys like my purse?
I love it.
Yes.
It's Friday. Say hello,
Friday
Brody.
fabulous. Oh, Batman!
So we're gonna check on some jobs. He was a customer's coming. This customer's coming to check on this one before we get it painted. So she's coming today to take a look at it. So we're just gonna do a walkthrough on this one, and then we're also going to check another job that we're installing next week. We're just gonna do a walkthrough to make sure that everything's ready for Monday, and then we are going to check or discuss a job that Ramon is starting as well next week, starting to build. And and then we're also checking some shelves that he's supposed to be done with. And that's it.
Beautiful.
Brody, look here.
What?
It's Venom.
The customer's coming today just to take a look at everything, make sure she likes how it was built, you know, the hardware, the doors, everything, and then we can go from there. Usually they pick their hardware and stuff today, but she doesn't have any hardware. Oh, and then this is part of it too. This is gonna go as the background for the TV stand. We try to get out, like, you mean installing or building?
Building.
Building. So we try to do 2 per week, and then we try to install 2 per week.
And what do the installs look like? Are they just like little cabinets, or are they full entertainment systems?
Entertainment systems. Lately it's been full built-ins for either an office or living rooms or bars. So it's been basically built-ins, but for different areas. Yes, so we're wrapped up. We already did a walkthrough on all the jobs. A couple things that need to be taken care of before Monday, but we're wrapped up for the week.
Beautiful.
Woo!
There.
Oh, and then we just did our review for the quarter, and we had a very good quarter.
Awesome.
So Juan and I went yesterday and treated ourselves for a good quarter.
Awesome. Congratulations.
Thank you. So today's the 3rd day here, and hopefully the final day, and we'll be wrapping up. So we gotta go check it out.
Beautiful.
So the plan here was just to have the fireplace cabinet with the fireplace insert, and then just an accent stone wall. This was pretty much done on Tuesday, but we still needed to put the crown mold in and add the filler there and the wood wall. So he just did that today, and he should be done soon. We should be done with this. Looking good.
My back hurts.
All right, Juan. What's going on?
So we're gonna go ahead and install this cabinet into this fireplace. We got a wraparound shiplap. There's gonna be stones on the bottom and then a shiplap on top. We were supposed to put the plywood, but it's already been done, so
One I
Easy.
meant to tell you, I've
Easy
got a whole
peasy.
other sheet of plywood if you feel you need it for anything.
Beast mode. I own a dinosaur.
Raptor.
A raptor. Happy Monday, everyone. As you can see, it is Monday. I love Mondays. We are here at one of our customers' house. We have a couple cabinets, some shiplap we need to install today. We'll be doing a portion of it as we have electricians coming in after we do some of the work so they can rewire everything, get everything taken care of. And then hopefully they'll be done sometime this week so we can come back and finish out the process. But we're here, we're just gonna do the best we can today. You know how they say, happy customer, happy life. All the electricity is going to be done from the back so we can go ahead and install, and then I don't have to worry about it. So hopefully we can get this thing done today, so we can go to the pool when we're done. No, just some mold. Piano guys. Peace, happiness, love, all. Okay. Oh, hello. Hi. I didn't see you there. So we're getting all the shiplap off. We already put the brackets up for the towers. We're gonna go ahead and install these. We have to run up to Home Depot real quick to get some molding to make everything look pretty. And then we'll wait. Once all this is done, we'll do the stones. We'll bring everything back up, and then hopefully we'll be done with this place. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Find out. Make sure to like, subscribe, follow. Sharing is caring. And we'll see the final project next week sometime. We're high up in the sky. I'm scared of heights.